Hello, this is Virginia Walcott, straight out of Montego Bay, Jamaica. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to me at all. I'm on my way to Paris to go watch girl Shelly and Fraser Price and the panty queen Sherika Jackson. Not to mention the bodyguard Lydresia Lolo Cameron, my daughter, who thinks she can protect the other two daughters of Jamaica. Me pack some little necessaries to go to Paris when time me reach a Paris. Paris can't hold when no more celebration time and everything come on. You see me have them here? Me have a couple layers because me make sure if me can't carry everything to the airport. Me have some pa me in my bag, in my grip and pa my head. These are the first layer for the first day when Shelly go on the track. The second layer for when Shelly win the race. And when to hear from the end, this is the Bima hat. And I have the Bima glasses to share on Shelly. And a liquor white rum. So when the fun done, you can't talk to me because I done it done. You can't talk to me. See me backpack here with a liquor necessaries. And if you go up front, Paris, you can't call out and say, go Shelly, go. You have the hand for the pack the thing up. And you have the pack the little necessaries in the bag. We go so boom, boom, boom. Race around. Shelly come. No one come over here so because say Paris done when Shelly and Fraser done. I have a little Excelsior crackers that I pack up for the first of the fun and the party, a little grey sardine and a little grace mackerel in my bag because when Shelly don't run, France food can't hold we done and a little grace corned beef. Uno fi pack on the bag properly for the fun and not to mention when Shelly they run me have to take out this spectacle here so and put on this one here because Shelly need her own light to see to win the race because Shelly and Fraser Price is the queen of sprints and nobody not going to stop me if you see so me bring my own Bima. It can't done, the fun not done because when we are Jamaicans and the fun never done. When we leave Paris, we leave the name there until Paris done. It will change. Jamaica have fun. Look at my mouth. And you can't talk to me. Me wearing the flags in my mouth. If you're not Jamaican, don't mention the name. Because when we become clean. And then we say, go hard and done.